You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'll be looking at BTC USDT and Porto fan token. In this video, I'm going to show you what I'm expecting right now on BTC as we see our trend line have been broken in the past 2 days. So right here, if you look at this chart very well, when we were at this point, what we are seeing is the market move right up. This was an impulse, and then we see a double top at this point and market come back down. So we were looking at this as a next impulse again, but as we can see here, it was a retracement. So retracement, market failed to break out on this very level. I talked about it, and then I also say that if market break out on this level and give you a bullish close, that will mean that market will still go back up, but we did not see anything like that at this point. Also, on this trend line, we did not see any bullish pattern or bullish candle on this when this market was coming down up to this point of strong resistance or this area turn support. At this point, market just break through. If you remember, patterns that indicate strong support resistance is big candle break. We see this big candle break here right down, which indicate that there was a force that breaks through this very strong support right down to this very support line, and then we see a little hole here, the market come back right down. That means market impulse, retrace, make support resistance, come back right down to this area, and then right now what we are seeing is the next retracement of this very impulse right here. This is a sign that the bear are already in the market and ready to move the market to the downside. So the question is, what should you be looking out for? We are already in a mini good retracement from the 1-day chart perspective. Now on the 4-hour chart here, you discover that we are already in a slight downtrend. So a downtrend is already in formation. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Also check the channel for all the educational and informative content. Right here, if I draw a trend line, if I take this and then I draw this trend line from this area to this point, this is already an indication of trend direction to the downside since we see a breakout on this very support line. So right now I'm seeing this trend line to hold the market very strongly. So what I am looking out for in the next coming days is retracement, then followed by the next impulse to the downside. Right now on the 1-day chart, if you look at the stochastic on the 1-day chart, you see stochastic is already approaching oversold condition. That also implies that this level you're seeing right at this point is very strong in the market, because if you go back down, you see this was a rejection candle on the 1-day chart, and market reject from this area back in and goes up. So we could possibly see that kind of rejection at this point, and market will move sharply. It will not just go back straight up, it will reject to this area first. The second level is this area before market will come back down. So what I'm expecting is market to break this trend line, this very resistance yellow line, before you can confirm you are uptrend again. So once that is confirmed, then we are already in another uptrending market. So that is what I'm expecting, guys. The first place of retracement is this point, then this area here. After then, market should go back down. When it's coming back down, it can create a new low, lower than this very point down, or it can create a double bottom. I want to see a breakout on this very trend line. Porto USDT, I talk about this very token doing 1,500%, but it does not. It do 1,000 plus. I always say that don't buy new tokens. That means when it is newly launched, don't buy it. Otherwise, those of you that get the token from Launchpad, sell 50% of it, or you sell all your token and then allow the market to go back down before you buy at a lower price. Now, if you see it and you follow that advice, see, you will be very happy right now. And don't buy yet, because I am also seeing the market going right deep down, so that you can always buy at a better price. On this very chart, don't buy it. Wait for the market to go right down before you take a buy position. And I will give this signal on this very channel. Help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the notification bell. If you're not registered on Binance, OKS, and KuCoin, check the link in the description of this video and do your registration right away. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.